Hello, welcome to question 3A BECE 2026, the second aspect of section B. So Asana was engaged to collect cashew fruit on a farm and was paid a wage of 25 cedis a day. If the daily wage increased by 10% and she worked for 30 days, how much will she be paid? So this is basically percentages. So there are various ways we can hold this question. Remember, the wage that she was contracted to collect first is 25 cedis. That 25 cedis is the original cost. That original cost means that was the 100% of what she will be given. Then if we increase that, it means that we are increasing it from the 100% threshold to become 110%. We are now giving 110% of this amount. So we can increase this by 10%, then and multiply it by the number of days that she worked. She is working for 30 days. So in the olden days, she is going to collect 25 in every 30 days, every day. So 25 times this. That will give you the total. But if it is increased, it means that she will not be paid 25 cedis again. She will pay more than 25 cedis. And that will tell you how many times we multiply by this. So those are the various aspects. Let's start with the, let's do it, the wage per day, right? So you can see that old daily wage. At first, she was contracted to be paid what? 25 cedis. So that is it. Then there is an increment to this. This 25 cedis is equivalent to 100%, right? So this is so this value is equivalent to 100%. Then there is increase of 10%. So we can say increment. Is 10%. So it means we are increasing the percentage from 100 to 110, right? So new daily wage is going to be equivalent to, so you can say that new daily wage will be equivalent to what? 100 plus 10%. And that is going to be equivalent to 110. Here we can also find the 10% of this and add it to it. Is one way we can do that. So if that is the case, this is what we have as a percentage, but we don't know the amount in cedis. We know the amount in cedis, we know the percentage. So I'm only going to use ratio and proportion. So I only say that this implies that if I have 100% equivalent or equals to 25 cedis, then my 110% should give me more than 25 cedis, because originally I'm supposed to be paid 25 cedis, but there's an increment. Therefore, I'll get more than 25 cedis. So if more, less divide between the percentage. Less is 100. So I'll have 110 divided by 100 times 25. So remember, this will cancel this. I'll be left with 11 times this. If you watch the first episode, I mentioned that if you are multiplying a number by 11, open the number, that means the 2-digit number. Open them up, add them, and put the sum in the middle. So 25 is like this. 5 plus, what do you call it? 5 plus 7, 5. 2 plus 5 will give you 7. So you put in the middle. That gives you 275, right? Okay. Now, what happens here is that I am multiplying the top after this is cancelled. So I'll be left with 275 Ghana cedis divided by what? 10. Remember, the 10 here is that we can make it into decimal by transferring the point for the back into this, making it 27.5. But remember, because of this unit, this must be 2 digits, 50. So this is 27 cedis, 50 pesos. That means that the new daily wage every day should be paid 27 cedis, 50 pesos. Up to how many days? 30 different days. So I am going to just find the how much should be paid. So total wage in 30 days will become 27 cedis, 50 pesos times what? 30. If you multiply this 10 times 3, I'll be having what? 30. When 10 multiply every number, it increase the number by what? 0, or it increase the number by 1 decimal place. So if I increase this, I should come back to 275. Then that 275 will now multiply by 3, or arrange it in that order. So I'm going to say that 10 times this give me 275, then 275 times 3. That will make 15, 1, 14, 21 plus this 22, carry 2, multiply 6 plus this 8. So we are going to have 825 cedis being paid in 30 days. So that will give us 825 Ghana cedis. All right. Remember, this is not the only approach we can follow. I'm trying to hold it as a daily increment. We can also do it holistically. First, find total amount we pay in old wage. That is 25 times what? 30. Then you find the 110 increment of that amount. We'll still come back to this place. Or find 10% of this. Add it to this to get the 27.5. Then use that to multiply by 30. Any approach you follow, because the video is getting long. That's why I don't want to go for the alternative word method. But if you like it, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to leave your comment if you have any reservation.